Alright, so today I'll show you what I did to create or to enable audit to see what happens to our PC when we enable our audit um, policy inside our system. So first thing first, um, after I downloaded and set up my Windows Server 2022, I tried to add the roles and features by managing the servers and adding tools. So as you can see here, we can navigate through the global wait, let me put this down, global policy, and then earlier I don't have this, I don't have that, so I did all the things that I need to do to add roles and then install types, server roles. I did all of those things, right? And then added the group policy management, making sure that it was there, and the server roles by adding the Active Directory to main services and the DHCP as well and DNS. So after everything that, it will just restart all over again, and then it will log you to your domain, the one that you set up here in confirmations. So moving forward, so what I was saying is I tried to create a policy for my whole server. So after you go to your forest and then click domain, then navigate to your domain server, which is tantan.com. That's the name of my domain. And then I want to group policy objects, and originally I don't have that in here, but the one that I did is I tried to click new, and then I named it as audit policy shares so that I can easily understand that. So inside my audit policy shares, I created a policy under computer configuration, and that way I can see what's happening on my computer. So policies, and then Windows settings, and then you have to click the setting security, and then you can expand this part, and then scroll down, and then you have to click the audit or the advanced audit policy configuration. Then you will see the audit policy in here. After seeing the audit policy, you need to click the object access. Those are all the events that you can activate. But the one that we want to use in here is the audit file share. You can use this as well. So for example, this one, you're going to toggle the configuration following of audit edits, and then click success and failure. Make sure to apply, and then click OK. So once you have that, you're going to link the audit policy file share. So you can X that, and once you have this, you can just hold that press and then paste it over domain controller, or maybe your server.com or anything that you have that, and then make sure that you enforce the edit here. So for example, in my domain controlling, I made sure that the audit policy share is enforced so that it will apply. So once you're able to do that, you can X that out, and then here I tried to go to my PC, and I tried to create a lot of folders here because I've been trying really hard to create a folder, and then making sure that it's being audited with my other viewers. So it was a lot of what they call this, trial and error. So But then I was able to finally have that by creating another one, or actually the last try is the last one that I created. Then I created new file and what do you call this, a text, and then inside a file you can also create text there just to make sure. Then once you have that, you're gonna look at your event viewer. So there I was able to audit uh, things that happen inside um, my computer. And yeah, before I forget, actually I forget one thing. Actually, once you set it up, all the group policy management here, I forgot to mention that you have to update your policy management, and then you can do that by just simply typing gp update. Once you create that update to your command prompt, then that's just basically saying that your group policy management is already updated. So all the things that you applied in here will be updated inside your computer. So that's pretty much everything for this assignment, and thank you for listening. I know it's a lot and I messed up, but yeah, I was able to finish it on time. Thank you and have a great day.